Hey, well, as I've said many times before, you just never know what you're going to get into down here at the Deep Creek Farm. So today what we are doing is replacing a water pump in a 2004 Chevy 2500 Duramax diesel. Apparently this is an issue with these trucks. Unfortunately, I did not turn the camera on for the removal of some of the pieces down here, but we have already got one of the pulleys off and the harmonic balancer. That seems to be the worst part, getting that off. The water pump is down here, right here, so we still have to remove that part of it. You'll see some things online that talks about special tools and metric tools that you will need. No, not really. All we used was 1 7/8" wrench and a sledgehammer to take the fan off. And then for the harmonic balancer, we had a 3/4 drive, 1 7/16" socket, and a pipe that we used. Yeah, so we put the pipe on the end of the breaker bar here, just bumped the engine, bumped the starter one time, and off it came. So stay tuned, we'll see what other footage we can get for you. Okay, so I am starting to see a pattern here with Chevrolet trucks in my shop. Last week it was Z's lawn care truck. We were replacing a water pump. This week is Jeffrey's Chevrolet. Who knows what we're doing to this? No, actually I do know. We've got bed separation up here with a lot of rust, so I think this bed is coming off completely to figure that out and what we're going to do. So, Chevrolet trucks, they're not making America great again. Talking shit now. So apparently the snap-on impact wrench will not take the bolts off. So we have a Milwaukee that we're running. Oh, it won't fit. It won't fit. Okay. It's not the product apparently. It's the user. Really eating up there. Like there was a plow truck up there. Or I'm guessing. It's not that bad. No, I've seen worse. Yeah, that Ford truck. That Ford truck. Yeah.
But that's still, this ain't bad. Set out there for your road video.
All right, we've got the bed off of here now, so it's just a matter of fixing it up.
Door shot?
12 inches.
How many?
12. All right. So what is the key?
I'm gonna try start them first. Get it down close. This one will work too. I'll let you do the rest.
Oh shit.
That's okay.
But that's gonna hold it.
Yeah, until we get the bolt started.
Yeah. Today it's time to put the truck bed back on, so let's watch. And that's how you remove and put back a truck bed on a Chevrolet 2500. That easy. Well, except for, of course, this one frame rail where the plastic, we've stripped that special toggle bolt out. So we've got to figure out how to get a second one in there. All right, what good is a refurbished bed without new lights? So that's what we got here, new light assemblies to go on it.